Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel.
Woo! Welcome back to our channel. We are the Ali family. Yes, we are the Ali family, and today we are going to be cooking Korean stir-fried rice. Yes, you heard me. Korean stir-fried rice and grilled chicken. So this is chicken breast.
Wait, all the ingredients, because if you don't know what the ingredients are, how are you supposed to cook it? So here we have Uncle Benson's rice.
It's already cooked.
Yes, it's already boiled. We have mashed up garlic here. And you know we need garlic it helps us with our immune system, especially with the virus going around now. We need garlic. Then we have bacon. You know, if you can't have bacon, you can add some chopped up
Chicken?
beef or chicken, really, because I know some people can't eat it because of their religion or if they're allergic. We have onions, because if you know my mom, we can never cook anything without onions. It's a thing in this house. And of course we have green onions. Here we have chicken. This is already boiled, but the next step, as you're gonna see, it's going to become grilled, which makes it even tastier. It gives a nice color and flavor. And here we have mushrooms, because again, if you know my mom, we can't cook anything without mushrooms, and mushrooms actually give us vitamin D, so that is perfect.
Yes. So
that is
so those are all the ingredients. So we're going to be doing Korean stir-fried rice. So keep watching the video and see how it turns out.
Alright, now it's time to grill the chicken. So the pan is already heated and it's on 9 on my type of stove. So basically you just want to put it on high. So right now I have some butter over here. Okay, I'm gonna get that thing that you used to spread it. Here it is. This thing. And then I'm just going to attempt to spread the butter. So now it's perfect time to add the chicken. Your chicken should be boiled by now. And I'll just go ahead. As you can see, I made a reaction. This is big enough to fry all the chicken.
A few moments later.
So now the other family, I'm going to be showing you how that I like to make sauce for the chicken, because I find this sauce goes really good and it's very healthy and it'll help you with your immune system. So what you'll need is really simple, as I showed you. This is the mashed up garlic. You're gonna need some mayonnaise and just a little bit of oil, olive oil this is. So then a bowl, of course, to mix it in. So you want it, so depending on if you like the more garlic flavor or you just want enough garlic. I just like enough but not too much. So you just want to add a good amount. Eyeball it. Because everyone, it depends on how you like. Oh my, we are almost out of mayonnaise. All right, so you're almost out.
Okay guys, so I'm going to start with the stir-fried rice. So you see this is butter. So I just want to, so I'm going to start with the stir-fried rice now. I'm going to put the onion inside. So this time I'm going to add the bacon and the mushroom. So at this time, this is Maggi cube. So you don't want it too seasoned, right? So just 1 tablespoon is fine. It's even half. I didn't want it too over seasoned. So yeah. So I'm going to leave it for like 2-3 minutes before I add the rice.
All right, I got more mayonnaise. I refilled it. So we're just gonna add it because this is gonna be way too much garlic. Yeah, so you can see it more. Yes, you want it like this. You want to be seeing a lot of mayonnaise and you don't really want to be seeing garlic. So I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to help it. My goodness, perfect. So I have the chicken here. It's nice and ready. Let me taste the sauce. Perfect. It's perfect. So just add it like that. And then just kind of put it on the chicken. That's the easy sauce, so this is the chicken. I can't wait to eat it. It looks so good. And remember, it's healthy. This is actually organic chicken. The garlic helps you with the immune system, and it's just mixed with the mayonnaise.